Hello, today a quick video about the Mercedes W126 S-Class on how to change the indicator on your car. Maybe that it's broken, or that you want to change it from an orange one to a transparent one. That's the video for you. To remove the indicator is very easy. We're gonna look here just on the side of the headlamp, and you will see there's a small wheel that we will unscrew. I will show you something a bit closer. Okay, as you can see, I'm closer now, and you can see that little wheel here. That's the one we need to unscrew. Okay, so I will do that right now. Now that I've removed that little wheel, okay, we just need to pull it towards us. So we just make pressure here and we pull it. Okay. Now we need to remove the back part. I will show you. Okay, here we go. You see, this we need to dislodge it a little bit, and that's it. What we got left to do is to unplug this. Hopla, here we go. Okay, and now basically you can replace your indicator with a new one. For the new one, very easy. You just basically don't forget to place the new bulb. And as you can see, there's two little legs here, shall we say, and this get fitted here in the and you can see the part is here. You see, because this got broken. I don't know how. Okay, you see, that was here, got broken. Never mind. That will still hold anyway. Okay, so once you got your new parts, basically same thing, to fit it. Just don't forget, you can place the cable now if you want, or you can place it later. Okay, so for this there's only one way you can go wrong. Okay, and then you're gonna slide this first inside the guide. Okay, it's inside now. Okay, and now you put it against the headlight, and you make sure those two legs from the indicator goes inside the headlamp. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and you push it nicely. Okay, now you look if it goes away. It doesn't go away. That's very nice. Now all we got left to do is to push it nicely and screw this back, and it's done. That's it for today. I hope that you have liked the video, and we will see each other in the next one.